In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide a WordPress page from Google, and we're getting started right now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Bjorn from WP Learning Lab, where we are all about WordPress. And if you want to get better at WordPress, make sure you stick around and hit the bell icon or the thumbs up or both while you're at it. And with that out of the way, let's head into the screen capture. The first of the three ways to hide a page from Google or other search engines or people in general is using the Yoast SEO plugin. Now this one is search engine specific, and if you don't have Yoast yet, click up above, the card above, or link in the description down below for the Yoast setup. And it is a great SEO plugin, and once it's installed, you have an SEO menu here. And if we go to any posts, let's just go to all posts to see what we have on the site. This also works for pages. Click on edit, and then scroll down to the very bottom, and we have our Yoast plugin information here. Click on the gear icon, and then from this drop down here, we want to check no. Well, the question is, allow search engines to show this post in search results? No. And then should search engines follow links on this post? No. So in case they do get here, this is more like if they get here, don't do it. But sometimes search engines don't listen when, I guess that's the best way, but they don't listen when you tell them not to go somewhere. Anyway, the best practice is to choose no for those. Update the page. And then if we head out to the page, actually we can head out, not the preview, but the actual page itself. And out of the main page, if we right click and choose view page source, we see a robots meta tag that says no index, no follow, which is now hopefully stopping search engines from indexing and following links on this page and indexing the page itself in the search results. But again, it's up to the search engine to decide whether it wants to honor that request. Quick note, I have a warning here saying the entire site is set to no index, and this is done under, where is it, settings, and then general, I believe. If you go to the very bottom, nope, not general, reading. Let's try that one. Here under reading, under search engine visibility, I have checked discourage search engines from indexing the site. So the entire site is set to no index. That's what that warning was about. You will likely not have that warning because you won't have this box checked. So the next way is in the robots.txt file. You can check if you have a robots file by going to your domain name and /robots.txt. And if something like this loads, it means you have a robots.txt file. So this is saying that all user agents, that's what this star means, and user agents are bots from search engines, they are not allowed to access anything on the site. That's what my robots.txt file says. Yours may say something different, or you may not even have one at all. Either way, I'm going to show you how to add a specific page to this file. I'm going to log into my hosting account, and I'm going to open the file manager. You can do this via FTP as well if you're more comfortable with FTP. And inside the website root, we are going to find the robots.txt file. In my case, there actually isn't one, which is interesting because we can load it on the page. Anyway, if you find there isn't one, click on File, plus, type in robots.txt for the file name. Click on Create File. And now we have one here. Click on it to highlight it, then click on Edit. I'm just going to go back and copy what we have in this one. Paste it in here. Now I'm going to say user agents all, which is the star icon, are disallowed from accessing. I'm going to add this URL. You don't have to add the domain, you can just add the / disallow like this. So this means that nobody's allowed to index this. Now the drawback is, if we come here and refresh this, we should have an updated robots information here. So there's a robots file updated. The drawback is anybody can see this robots file. It's publicly visible. There's no way you can block it without having search engines not be able to access it. And search engines need to be able to access it because otherwise you can't give them instructions on how to behave themselves on your site. So anybody can access this. That's the main drawback of using it this way. The better way is using Yoast SEO. And another thing you can do is you can change the visibility of a post. So right now the post is set to public for the visibility. If we click on that, we can change it to private and password protected. So let's change it to password protected. And we add a password. Let's call this 1234. And now we click on update. Come out here and refresh this page, and it now says it's protected. It adds this little piece before the title. You have to enter a password. 1234 is the password. Click on enter, and now we can see the post. And search engines don't know the password, so they're not going to be able to see the content. And users, if that's what you're interested in limiting the visibility for, that's a great way to do it. That doesn't work as well as a membership plugin. It's not automated or anything. It's kind of tedious, but if you wanted to do that just for one page, it's okay. But if you want to lock multiple pages and have membership levels, you need a membership plugin. That's not what that is for. That is just for blocking access to 1 or 2 pages on your site. So that's how it works. I hope this video helps you. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you follow along, then hit the bell icon or the thumbs up, and check out our private Facebook group, linked to in the description down below. And next up is click on one of these videos that popped up on the right-hand side so you can get even better WordPress. Until next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.